For centuries, humans believed the greatest monsters lived in myths, but the truth may be even more astonishing. Hidden thousands of feet beneath the ocean's surface is a world so extreme that sunlight never reaches it. Pressure is hundreds of times greater than at sea level, and creatures have evolved in ways that seem almost impossible. Some have transparent heads that reveal their moving eyes. Others can launch their jaws forward in the blink of an eye. One possesses the largest eyes in the entire animal kingdom, while another inspired terrifying sea monster legends long before anyone proved it was real. Today, we're diving into 5 of the most extraordinary deep-sea creatures ever discovered, animals that continue to challenge what scientists thought was possible and remind us how little we truly know about our own planet. Before we descend into the darkness, if you enjoy fascinating documentaries about nature, science, and the world's greatest discoveries, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new adventure. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. We'd love to welcome you to our growing community of explorers. Now switch on your imagination, because the deeper we go, the stranger the ocean becomes. 5. Barreleye Fish, the transparent-headed mystery of the deep. Nearly 3,000 feet beneath the Pacific Ocean, where sunlight has long disappeared and crushing pressure dominates the darkness, lives one of the most extraordinary fish ever discovered. At first glance, the barreleye fish appears almost unreal. Instead of a solid skull, the front of its head is covered by a transparent, fluid-filled dome, revealing 2 bright green, tube-shaped eyes hidden inside. For decades, scientists believed those unusual eyes could only point upward, allowing the fish to spot the faint silhouettes of prey drifting overhead. But in 2009, remotely operated underwater vehicles captured something remarkable. The eyes could actually rotate forward, giving the barreleye precise binocular vision just before striking its target, a discovery that completely changed scientists' understanding of how the species hunts. Measuring only about 6 inches or 15 centimeters, this tiny predator feeds on small crustaceans, jellyfish, and drifting marine organisms. It moves slowly to conserve energy in an environment where food is scarce. Yet its remarkable vision gives it a critical advantage in the perpetual darkness. The barreleye fish remains one of the rarest creatures ever observed alive. Every encounter offers scientists another glimpse into the astonishing adaptations that make survival possible in one of Earth's most extreme and least explored ecosystems, proving that even the smallest inhabitants of the deep can rewrite what we think we know about life beneath the sea. 4. Vampire Squid, the survivor of the ocean's darkest depths. More than 3,000 feet below the ocean's surface lies a region so hostile that most marine animals cannot survive there. Known as the oxygen minimum zone, it contains only a fraction of the oxygen found near the surface. Yet one remarkable creature has mastered this seemingly impossible environment, the vampire squid. Despite its intimidating name and dark appearance, the vampire squid is neither a true squid nor an octopus. Instead, it belongs to an ancient evolutionary lineage that has survived for over 300 million years, making it one of the oldest living relatives of modern cephalopods. Growing to only about 12 inches or 30 centimeters, it has developed extraordinary adaptations for life in the abyss. Its deep red body appears almost black in complete darkness, while glowing blue photophores scattered across its body can flash unpredictably, confusing predators long enough for a silent escape. Unlike most squid, it rarely hunts live prey. Instead, it patiently collects drifting organic particles, often called marine snow, using 2 long, delicate feeding filaments, allowing it to thrive where food is scarce. When threatened, the vampire squid performs one of the ocean's strangest defensive displays. It pulls its webbed arms over its body like a cloak, exposing rows of fleshy spines and transforming itself into a shape unlike almost any other creature in the sea. In the deepest parts of the ocean, survival depends not on strength, but on millions of years of extraordinary evolution. 3. Goblin Shark, the living fossil from the ocean's depths. Few deep-sea animals look as mysterious as the goblin shark. With its long, flattened snout, pale pink skin, and rows of needle-like teeth, it seems more like a creature from another world than a shark still swimming in today's oceans. Yet this remarkable predator has survived for more than 125 million years, earning the nickname the living fossil. Goblin sharks inhabit continental slopes and submarine canyons at depths ranging from about 650 to over 4,000 feet, where sunlight never reaches and prey is difficult to find. Unlike fast-swimming sharks that rely on speed, the goblin shark conserves energy by moving slowly through the darkness, waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. Its most astonishing adaptation is its jaw. Connected by highly flexible ligaments, the jaws can shoot forward in just a fraction of a second, extending several inches beyond the head to seize unsuspecting fish, squid, and crustaceans. High-speed camera studies have shown this is one of the fastest jaw protrusion mechanisms ever recorded in a shark. Because they live so deep, encounters with goblin sharks remain extremely rare. Most are discovered only after being accidentally caught in deep-water fishing nets. Every specimen provides scientists with valuable clues about an ancient lineage that has survived multiple mass extinctions, offering a remarkable window into the evolutionary history of sharks and the hidden world of the deep ocean. 2. Colossal Squid, the heaviest giant of the deep. Far beneath the icy waters surrounding Antarctica lives a creature so elusive that, despite decades of research, almost everything we know about it has come from rare encounters. The colossal squid is not the longest squid on Earth. That title belongs to the giant squid. But it is by far the heaviest, with the largest confirmed specimens weighing an estimated 1,100 pounds, or around 500 kilograms. This deep-sea giant inhabits depths ranging from approximately 3,000 to more than 7,000 feet, where temperatures hover just above freezing and sunlight never penetrates. Its enormous eyes, measuring up to 11 inches or 27 centimeters across, are the largest known in the animal kingdom. Scientists believe these massive eyes allow the squid to detect the faint glow and movement of predators, including hunting sperm whales, from remarkable distances in the darkness. Unlike other squid, the colossal squid's arms and tentacles are lined with rotating hooks in addition to powerful suckers. These razor-sharp hooks provide an extraordinary grip, enabling it to seize struggling prey in the cold abyss. Because living adults have almost never been observed in their natural habitat, the colossal squid remains one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Each rare specimen recovered has expanded scientists' understanding of life in the deep sea, reminding us that some of Earth's largest predators still live almost entirely beyond human observation. Number 1. Anglerfish, the monster that rewrote evolution. Few deep-sea creatures are as instantly recognizable as the anglerfish. With its glowing lure, razor-sharp teeth, and haunting appearance, it has become one of the ocean's most iconic predators. But its true story is even stranger than its terrifying face. Living more than 3,000 feet, 900 meters, below the surface, where sunlight never reaches, the anglerfish survives in one of Earth's harshest environments. Food is scarce, and finding a mate can take years. To overcome these challenges, evolution produced one of nature's most extraordinary designs. The female carries a small, bioluminescent lure that glows in the darkness. Curious fish are drawn toward the light, only to be captured by powerful jaws lined with long, inward-pointing teeth. The glow itself comes from symbiotic bacteria living inside the lure, creating one of the most effective hunting strategies in the deep ocean. Its greatest surprise, however, is its reproduction. In several deep-sea species, the male is tiny compared to the female. Once he finds a mate, he bites onto her body and gradually fuses with her, eventually sharing her bloodstream and surviving entirely as part of the female. It is one of the most unusual reproductive strategies ever discovered in the animal kingdom. Scientists have identified more than 200 species of anglerfish worldwide. Although often portrayed as sea monsters, they are highly specialized predators whose remarkable adaptations are the result of millions of years of evolution. The anglerfish proves that in the deep ocean, survival doesn't belong to the strongest. It belongs to the species that evolved in the most extraordinary ways. The deep ocean remains Earth's last great frontier. Although it covers more than 70% of our planet, scientists estimate that much of it is still unexplored. Every expedition reveals new species, unexpected behaviors, and remarkable adaptations that continue to reshape our understanding of life beneath the waves. The 5 creatures we've explored today are only a small glimpse into a hidden world where evolution has been solving impossible challenges for millions of years. Who knows what extraordinary animals are still waiting to be discovered in the darkness below? If you enjoyed this journey into the deep sea, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more documentary-style explorations of the world's greatest mysteries, incredible wildlife, and scientific discoveries. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which deep-sea creature amazed you the most, and which one would you never want to encounter in the wild? Thanks for watching, and until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop wondering what secrets our planet still holds.